So over here in this video footage, I can go and then I can add in a filter. Let's say for example, I can go around select this filter, but as soon as I select another filter, you can see that the new filter replaces the old one. And sometimes you may want to add in multiple filters. Let's say for example, you want the deep fried filter right here and then the other filter as well. In that case, there is a trick. You can go around and duplicate out this video right here and overlap it on the top right here, just like this. And then on the overlap video, you can go around and select out another filter that you want to apply. Let's say, for example, I'm just going to go around over here and select out the cartoon filter right here, just like this. So now what you can do with this top video is you can go to adjust colors right here and choose the blending mode to darken or multiply or lighten right here, and you can see both of the effects just like this. So you can go around and select out, let's say for example, different options right here like overlay and so forth. Then you can work around with the transparency level as well, and you can see that the level of effect changes. So let's just go around on to multiply right here, and if I were to work around with transparency, you can see both of the effect right here just like this. So now by using this technique, what you can do is you can go around and make more duplicates and add in as many effects as you want. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around onto filter right here, and let's say if I were to go around and select out another filter right here like the glass, now you can see that this effect is here, the glass effect. Everything seems soft right here, and then there's this effect right here where cartoon effect is applied, and this effect where the deep fried effect is here. So you can go around onto let's say the adjust color section, work around with the transparency for each and every one of the effects right here. So you can simply go around and increase the effect. You can go around over here and change around the effects just like this as well, and over here you can go around and multiply it and change around the blending mode so that the way the effect actually affects just goes around and changes just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize a technique to apply multiple filters into the same video inside of Microsoft Clipchamp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe